Going out for ice cream is one of the best ways to mark a special occasion. Experiment with mix-ins, make ice cream out of fruit, or become a flavor scientist as you spin and churn your way to a fresh homemade dessert. Ryan O'Hara, co-owner of Big Spoon Creamery in Birmingham, Alabama, believes the key to finding the best ice cream maker is to keep it simple. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 ice cream makers on the market. We have made our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, feature, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Cuisinart Ice Cream Maker Machine. If you have limited counter space in your kitchen, this small appliance is the best ice cream maker for you. At just 9.5 inches long and 9 inches tall, it will make flavorful ice cream without taking up too much space. Most of the design features were very simple and easy to use, with intuitive inclusions like an ingredient spout for adding mix-ins and an easy lock lid. We also loved that the manual was very clear and made the process easy to follow. It took about 20 minutes to churn ice cream with mix-ins, and the result was an easy-to-scoop ice cream that held its shape well, with mix-ins incorporated well into the base. After sitting overnight, it still tasted smooth, without any wateriness or iciness, and was still firm to scoop with an ice cream scoop. It also aced our sorbet test, easily making a smooth, luscious sorbet with vibrant flavor in 20 minutes. Number 2. Nostalgia Electric Ice Cream Maker. If you're looking for an old-fashioned ice cream maker, this is the best ice cream maker for you. Though its footprint isn't too large, it is fairly tall at 16 inches high, the second tallest in our tests, so may not fit on a counter with cabinets above it. Setup was easy, but we did note that the freezer canister wouldn't sit steadily on the base of the churn bucket until the motor was attached. However, this may be easier if you have 2 people involved. During our testing, the ice cream took 38 minutes to fully churn, plus an additional 3 to 4 minutes to add in the mix-ins. However, after setting for 2 hours the consistency improved, and it got even better after freezing overnight, resulting in a smooth texture that was easy to scoop and even in consistency with a good balance of sugar and fat. Number 3. KitchenAid Ice Cream Maker. If you already have a KitchenAid mixer and want to add even more uses to the machine, step it up with this sleek ice cream attachment. The purchase included a 2-quart bowl, a palette, and the mixer attachment, all of which felt sturdy and durable. To use, attach the bowl to the mixer, add the drive assembly, bring the bowl up, and attach the palette. After about 30 minutes, we ended up with ice cream similar to milkshake consistency. We added the mix-ins at 13 minutes per the manufacturer's instructions, and it seemed like this was too early. This method resulted in pulverized mix-ins. After the ice cream sat in the freezer overnight, we found that the ice cream went from being very liquidy to fairly icy, and we found it tasted icy as well. However, we found that the sorbet turned out much better than our ice cream. Number 4. Ninja NC501 Creamy Deluxe. We found the Ninja to be a high-quality, multifunctional device with a sleek, modern aesthetic. It's about the same size as a countertop coffee maker, and it was easy to use thanks to the user-friendly buttons and countdown screen. It even helped us troubleshoot, with lights that indicated when the bowl base wasn't in place correctly. There are 10 settings designed for different desserts, as well as re-spin and mix-in buttons to help fine-tune frozen creations. And even better, it can also be used to make other frozen concoctions, like Italian ice and frozen drinks. It took about 5 minutes to blend the ice cream, plus 4 to 5 minutes of adding in the mix-ins. After blending, the fat was fully incorporated, which gave our ice cream a firm, glossy consistency without any ice grit or separation. Ultimately, the ice cream was both dense and creamy, with perfectly suspended mix-ins and fluffy texture, scoopability, and color. Number 5. Breville BCI 600 XL Ice Cream Maker. A compressor model is the closest you can get to professionally made ice cream at home, but it won't come cheap. However, the intuitive design of this top ice cream maker will basically do everything for you. Users can choose the firmness level, which will set the matching timer automatically, as well as whether they've frozen the bowl beforehand or pre-cooling, and the display shows the firmness, degrees as it spins, and the total time. During our testing, it took 44 minutes to completely churn the ice cream with mix-ins, and the final consistency was a soft serve texture, but it was dense enough that it held its shape on the spatula when being transferred to containers. There was a small amount of grittiness from ice in the final product, but it was still one of the best tasting ice creams during our testing. Please like, comment, share and subscribe and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you like this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.